all agree together to design and determine the future of Orile-Agege-Baamofin. The NPP say that the crisis does not start overnight. The atmosphere in Agege and Orile-Agege has been toxic for years. The speaker officers prolonged tenure has created an environment where dissent is punished, merits are sidelined, and leadership is inherited and not earned. Just on Saturday, one of our agitators, who also share our view, called me to tell me she was just an ordinary sweeper, whose salary is not even up to 60,000. She called me to tell me that they told her that if she continues to attend this meeting, that she will lose her job. And I marvel, an ordinary sweeper, ordinary PSC, or what do you call it, sir? Street sweeper. So you are not even going to face the leaders again. You are going to intimidate an ordinary sweeper on the streets, who is just trying to ventilate their anger. But by the grace of God, I told her that let them take their 40,000 or whatever salary they are giving you. Almighty God will open doors. We are not going to close eyes on our followers. By the grace of God, many of us on this table, we are business owners. By the grace of God, all what God has done for us, we didn't take it abroad. We didn't take it to other local governments. We all established business in these local governments. So, by the grace of God, what we are doing for people, we will continue to do it. And nobody is going to send anybody out of these local governments. The attempted position of his son as a successor and the subsequent backdoor promotion of another loyalist, when that effort failed, was not only undemocratic but deeply provocative. It is not provocative. It is normal for people to talk. It is normal for people to be aggrieved. It is normal for people to ventilate their anger that we are no longer fools. There was a direct instruction to not use your son as the chairman. So what did you do? You use that your son as the vice chairman. Is it to underscore all these credible people on this table, or to undermine the leadership of our leaders also?